Hello everyone! Alright, so today we're going to make some really fun tropical fish out of paper plates. So if you got a craft kit, it should have come with a large paper plate, a smaller paper plate like this, and a googly eye and a template to kind of trace our fish fins. But if you didn't get one, no problem. This is still a really easy craft to do with some things that you might already have at home, especially if you have some paper plates. So all you're going to need is our large paper plate, our small one, some paint. I have some red paint and I used some yellow already to paint this. So you can use as many or as little colors as you want. It all depends on what colors you want your fish to look like. And then you're going to need some scissors. I have a paintbrush here to paint with and a hot glue gun for gluing. You can use regular wet glue. I just was going to use a hot glue gun for speed for this video, but wet glue will work absolutely fine. And then I also have googly eye, which if you got a kit, you should have one of these. If you didn't, you could always buy some, but these are totally optional. I just really like using googly eyes. I think they look really cute. So, alright, to start, you're going to want to trace your template. So I cut my template out on the paper, and the triangles that are dark on the circles of the template, you want to just cut those out. The circles are not drawn to scale of the plate, so if you just cut out those triangles, you can trace them pretty easily onto your paper. You want to trace it first before you paint, so that way you know where the lines are and what lines you want to color in. So first thing I did is on my big plate, I traced the triangle on there, so that way I know where to cut, and then I traced two little triangles on here, and then I painted them, and I did kind of a messy job because it's fine, we're going to cut it out anyway. And then I let this dry overnight so that way I could work with it today. That'll be the easiest way to do it rather than cutting these out and then trying to paint them. It's just much easier to do it this way. So these are going to be our little fins, and then when we cut this out, it's going to make an opening as the mouth, and then it's also going to double as the fish's tail. So if you wanted to make these different colors, that's completely up to you. I decided to make them the same colors. So I'm going to start, so like I said, this is going to be the body. So I painted this whole thing and then let it dry. So I decided to make my fish yellow. And now I'm going to cut out that first triangle on my fish. And now we have a little mouth. It looks like a little Pac-Man. And then we're going to glue it so that our fish has a little tail. So I'm just going to add a little bit of glue on the end there and just stick it right here, just like that. And now our fish has a tail. Super easy, super cute. And now I'm going to cut out these triangles as well. And again, if you don't have a template, it's completely fine. Basically, you just want to draw some triangles. So when you paint this, you can draw the triangle. How big you can make the mouth bigger if you want. You can make it teeny tiny if you want. Totally up to you. We just like that it can also double as a little tail. And then same with these. Depends on how big you want to make the fins. You just want to cut out some triangles. So now we have our two little fins. And if you wanted to make more, you can use up the rest of this plate. Again, completely up to you. So, and then just going to add some glue to these and glue these on. Put one down here, and I'm going to put one up there as well. And now he has little fins, very cute. Okay, and now I'm going to paint. So I want to add some stripes to my fish, which is why I have some extra red paint. I'm using tempera paint, which I use for the body and this. So it does color pretty well. You can use acrylic paint. It will take a little bit longer to dry, but if you're leaving it overnight, that's totally fine anyway. I just like that the tempera paint is washable and the color still looks really nice. So I'm going to take some red paint and I'm just going to make some stripes on here. No really specific way to do this. Again, this is kind of however you want to design your fish. That's what's really fun about this craft and what I really like about it is you can kind of make it look like however you want it to. So you can use all your favorite colors and make it look like whatever you would like. Oops, some paint on me. So yeah, I'm just doing some horizontal stripes and get a little bit more paint. And I really like how the red and the yellow look together. You can do polka dots. I think that looks really nice. The stripes are nice. You could just do it all one color. You could do vertical stripes if you wanted to, which is what I'm doing, not horizontal. Could do horizontal stripes, which I also really like. You could add stars or anything really that you'd like. And you can do as much or as little layers as you want. So I might let this dry a little bit more and then make it a little bit more red if I wanted to. So now he looks like that, and I think I'm going to add a little bit to the tail as well. I just think that would look cute. And some of the ridges of the fish give it like a nice, of the plate, give it a nice little texture. All right, and now I'm going to add my googly eye. You can wait till this dries and then kind of decide where you want to put the eye. I'm not going to wait for it to dry for the sake of this, so I'm just going to, I think I'm going to add him up here, because I think that will look really cute. Ta-da! And there you have a really fun, really easy craft. And now you have a fun tropical fish. And again, you could make a bunch of these if you want and make them a nice wall decor, or just have a nice full school of fish. And I think making them look all different colors would look really cute. And again, it's really simple, and you can reuse that template as much or as little as you'd like, and you can keep it, and if you ever want to make some more, you can absolutely do that. So I hope you enjoyed this craft, and if you do make it, please send it to us and take a picture and email it to us here at the library, because we would love to see all the different kinds of fish you guys make during summer reading. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and we hope to see you soon at the library. All right, bye-bye.